Why we need to cross check these DRCs? See, all the fabrication units uses a different methods to fabricate these devices, and it has its own limits. It cannot fabricate any rectangle or any via or anything, everything. So, they have defined or they have come up with a minimum design rules, where all these design rules must be followed in layout, so that this can be fabricatable. If you do not follow these DRC rules, what will happen? Designs cannot be fabricated. Even fabrication units may not accept these designs for the fabrication. So, it is must we should follow the minimum DRC rules, which are nothing but minimum width, minimum spacings, minimum area, minimum enclosures and all those things. So, there are tools to do the physical verification checks, DRC checks, where it will represent if any of the metal or the drawings that we have drawn are not following the design specific rules, which we are call it as a DRC check. So, it will show us the minimum DRCs that wherever we did not followed and all those things, you need to go and correct the rectangle widths and the spacings and all those things, so that we can say it is a DRC clean database.